smart features. How to find a phone or watch. On your watch, Step 1. Swipe right to left 4 times from the home screen. Step 2. Tap the Find Phone option to find your phone. Your phone will start ringing if it's within the Bluetooth range of the smartwatch. On your phone, Step 1. Open the CB Active app. Go to Device tab. Step 2. Tap the Anti-Lost and activate it. Your watch will start vibrating if you go beyond the Bluetooth range of the smartphone. How to control music on the watch. Step 1. Swipe right to left 2 times on the home screen. Step 2. Tap the music icon to open. Step 3. Control your music via play, pause, change track, volume from your smartwatch. Note: disconnect BT 3.0 from phone in order to control music from watch.